Hey there, welcome to you Google Merchant Center for Shopify New Users course. This course is designed for new Shopify users who want to leverage Google Merchant Center to display their product in shopping ads and search results. Course outline. Understand the benefit of using Google Merchant Center with Shopify. Set up a Google Merchant Center account and connect it to your Shopify store. Optimize your product data feed for Google Shopping. Troubleshoot common Google Merchant Center issues. Module 1 Introduction to Google Merchant Center and Google Shopping. What is Google Merchant Center? Benefit of using Google Merchant Center for Shopify store. How Google Shopping works. Understanding the buyer journey with Google Shopping. Module 2 Setting up Google Merchant Center. Creating a Google Merchant Center account, verifying your website ownership, connecting Google Merchant Center to your Shopify store using the Google and YouTube channel. Module 3 Optimizing your product data feed. Understanding product feed requirements, uploading your product feed from Shopify, managing product data in Shopify for Google Shopping, optimizing product title, descriptions and images for better performance. Module 4 Google Merchant Center Tools and Features. Using Google Merchant Center to manage product listing, diagnosing and fixing product feed error, setting up shipping and return policy, creating promotions for Google Shopping. Module 5 Advanced Topics and Best Practice. Google Ads for shopping campaigns, tracking and analyzing Google Shopping performance, best practices for optimizing your Google Shopping listing, troubleshooting common Google Merchant Center issues and error. Bonus modules optionals, question and answer session with the instructor, case studies, successful Shopify store using Google Shopping, course resource. Throughout the course, I will provide with relevant link to Google documentation, Shopify courses and helpful article. A downloadable checklist summaries to the key step for setting up Google Merchant Center with Shopify. Thank you.